Hey there, I am at the eWomen conference with Andrei Mincov, and he does, actually, I'll let you tell you what he does, but what he does will help you to establish your uniqueness. So let us know, how do you do it?
No, I'm Andrei Mincov, the founder of Trademark Factory, and the tip that I wanted to give is that there's one thing you can do to create uniqueness, the perception of uniqueness about what you do, even if there's nothing unique about what you do. There's nothing unique about your products, about your services, and that's what trademarks can do, because we all want to move out from the Me Too business to from Me Better business. We want to become Me Only business, and that you can do by saying, we are the only ones in this market who use our proprietary rainbows and lollipops process, or rainbows and lollipops method, or XYZ something. And that you do by naming your product or a service or your method. And as funny as it is, and when you look into this, it is funny, but it works, because whenever somebody's trying to sell you something and they tell you they're the only ones who do something, you automatically assume it's got to be good. That's what trademarks allow you to do without going through patenting, without having to create something unique. All you do is you name it and you trademark it, and then you use that everywhere on your website, everywhere in your business cards, everywhere in your presentations, everywhere in your marketing materials, everywhere. That's how you build uniqueness. That's how you build the following. That's how you build your business. That's how you build your life.
Awesome, thank you, Andrei. I love that, the idea of uniqueness when maybe what you do is not that unique, so you can stand out. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Next video.